Hi guys, it's Anton Voroniuk, Chief Executive Officer of SkillsBooster and your Udemy instructor. Now I'll tell you how to enroll for my courses totally for free. I will send you a coupon like this. It will be different for different letters. And now you can add this course to cart. Just go to add to cart, go to cart. The next step is to go to checkout. After that, you need to click just enroll now. Congratulations, you can start your course. You'll find here a lot of additional materials, templates, books, any stuff you can make your digital marketing better. For example, in a lot of courses, you can find my book, Cutting Edge Digital Marketing. So feel free to find these additional materials, watch courses, watch it totally one by one, all lectures. And after you will finish the course, you will get the Udemy certificate, which you can add as a tiny accolade to your CV, to your LinkedIn profile, etc. Another very important question is how to leave the review. After you watch like 12 minutes of the course, you can leave the review. For example, you can go here, put the review, write me what do you like in this course. For example, if it's great course, write that it's great course. If it has some minor things to improve, give me a know that I need to improve sound, video, maybe I missed some materials. So feel free to give this review, and I will be happy to get the feedback and work further. After you finished the course, after you left the review, please make the screenshot and send this screenshot to my mail, anton@skillsbooster.net, and I will share with you the next course that you can go and watch. So this is how it works. Feel free to have any other questions, and I will be happy to see you on my courses.